What's going on, guys? Today we got an unboxing right here from Jimmy Jazz. We got the shoes real quick. You guys can see Jordan right there. Here's just the receipt. Jordan Jumpman on the top of the box. Air Jordan 5 Retro Grade School. Air Jordan right there. Check out the paper. Check out the shoes. Check them out. Check them out. Here's Jordan Jumpman right there. Black stitching. Got the white netting going on right there. 23 Jumpman on the top of the tongue. You guys can see it's like a reflective, different type of material going on. Nice padding. Check out the shoelaces. I have to fix them, but Jumpman on the shoelace. Check out the red shoelaces. Check out the netting on the inside right there. Nice suede or nubuck. Let me know what this is right here. Netting on that side. Check out the sides. Clean shoe. Check out the bottoms. Jordan Jumpman right there. Check out the other shoe. Check them out. Saw these at Jimmy Jazz. Decided to get them, and yeah, I got lucky. I tried online, couldn't get them. Obviously these are not my size, but you know, got them for someone else. Check out right here's the shoelace holders. Clean, clean, clean. Yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think about these shoes. I will do an on foot video. Person will do them. Enjoy the rest of the video and like and subscribe. Till the next time.